Hello everyone. So you want to remove the widget from the taskbar or this bar below here, and you don't know how to do it. It is pretty easy. Now this is the widget that we want to remove right now. It is at the bottom left, and it is actually pretty easy to do it. What you have to do is right click here on the taskbar in an empty space, and here where there is this setting icon, click. Once you click it, this menu will pop out. You have this window. I am sorry if I'm hiding the left part here, but there is like my email and such, and I would like to leave it private. But what you need is here. It is the widget, and once you click it, it will disappear the widget. The widget will disappear. So let's try, and here we go. The widget is now gone, and you can continue to use your PC without this widget. So this is everything for this video. I hope you liked this video, you found it useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.